What's up, y'all? Today is a Tuesday. I feel like a pimple. It's a lazy Tuesday, though. It's a lazy day. I don't feel like doing nothing. But I do need to do an oil change on my truck because it's making a little tick. And we don't like that noise. We don't like no noises coming from our engines. So we're going to get it right. And that would be today's video today because I don't feel like doing nothing. You know, something might come up if somebody hit me for a bike ride or something, but besides that, I don't have nothing planned besides doing this oil change and getting it right. I gotta do an oil change on my bike too, but we're not doing that. So we're gonna do this on this short layover. Ready to get outside. I just got back up. Put this garbage can up. I was supposed to pull it up yesterday. I was too lazy. Oh, this light is working. It wasn't working at first. It's the wire on the back is broke. Okay. That's a fix yourself. Look at Lil Bird in traffic. Look at him. Slide. I honestly don't think he should be riding on the main road. He should be in that bike lane right there. That's dangerous. He is... I guess he's sliding, but get a real bike, man. Y'all stay off the streets and them things. And stay in the bike lane where you belong. This grocery store, grab something to eat right quick. I guess I'll cook. Then I'm gonna go get the stuff to do this oil change on this truck. And we're gonna get right. So I decided I'm gonna just make tostadas. So I got some ground turkey, some waters. I got some sour cream. I like this one. I like that they make these. Grab some hot taco seasoning. Hot shells. Sour cream, cheese, meat. Gonna grab some beans. I was gonna go chili beans, but that's not how I usually make it. I usually use these, so we're just gonna stick with this. A little spicy jalapeno or traditional? We're gonna go traditional because this taco sauce already spicy. Let's grab some tea and get up out of here. Oh, they ain't got no more. It's all the way back there. I'm not gonna dig all the way back there. We're gonna get the original. Alright, grab some snacks. That's it. So, what y'all think? Ferrero Rocher or the Bueno Minis? I fuck with the Ferrero Rocher, but the Bueno Minis is good too. Let me just go with these, I guess. Not stuck with the fuck up there. Get this shit in the car. Go grab this oil change shit. Turn in this AutoZone. Get this oil change stuff. So we need about 6 quarts of 5W30. This the cheap stuff, cause I don't keep cars anyway. I'm gonna go with this. 5W30. One, a small one. Cause the gallon is 5 quarts, and this is one which makes 6. I need a filter. Oh, good thing I'll be here a lot, cause it'd have been like $35. I had a $20 credit from all the points I'll be getting, so I end up paying like $15 for all this, which ain't bad. It's not bad at all. So yeah, get back to this house, do this oil change. I feel even better about doing it now, so I only paid $15 for the oil change stuff. I should have got a different oil too. Damn, oh well, let's do it though. So I get home. It's a whole package right here with the names Savannah Heaven. I don't even know who that is. But it's an Enfamil package. Enfamilia. Oh, Spanish. I don't know, but they don't live here. But on another note, we're gonna do this oil change. I gotta clear this up a little bit. And I gotta move the bike. I'm probably moving outside. And I gotta move that one outside too right quick. The truck kinda big. I'm gonna do the oil change. But I'm thinking if I should just cook first, because I'm starving. I think that's what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna cook first, matter of fact. I'm gonna put this on pause. Alright, so we're gonna make this food right quick. I'm gonna throw these beans in the pot. Get your good meats, whatever, ground beef, whatever. I got ground turkey. Just throw it in there, let that cook so you don't cook your meat and your beans at the same time. When the beans is done, you'll mix the meat in with it. And for these shells, you preheat your oven. I'm just gonna throw them in there for about 5 minutes and take them out. And you're gonna throw the condiments on there mixed on there. You got your tostada. But I'm gonna continue showing y'all the process anyway. And we're gonna get to the oil change. So hold your patience. Once these is done, your beans and your meat, just pour in your sauce. If you didn't already season it, pour in your seasoning. You feel me? Let that cook. You're gonna mix this with that. Sauce season them like that. You know? Just pour that in there like that. Yeah. Get that good mixing. It's mixed. You should look something like that, you dig? Beans and meat. And your tostada should already been cooking. Then it's done. So we just make your plate, put it together, and I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, I made 3 shells, but I'm gonna definitely only eat 2. So I'm gonna put some cheese on them things. Throw this meat on there. You get it looking like this. Just gonna, you feel me? Add some of that squeezed sour cream on there. And that's it. Look at them. Tostadas. Alright, now I'm done eating. Let's clean this up a little bit so I get this stuck in here before it get dark. Get this oil change knocked out. First step, pop this hood. Second step, you are going to loosen Alright, so I was lost and confused because I don't even see the oil thing, but it's usually right here, so I'm guessing this is it. But this is like a weird cap they got on here. I've never seen nothing like that. That's just crazy. Usually it's just a twist off though, you feel me? But you take that off, then from there, you're gonna go to the bottom. But look at this gas cap, I mean oil cap. Y'all ever seen an oil cap like this? This is different. Well, that's why I call it the Migo truck. Next, before you get under here, grab your pen. So I don't get dirty. 15mm socket to loosen the drain plug underneath. Alright, I'm hoping I can reach it, because it's right there. Boom. You'll see that bolt right there. Boom. But yeah. My jack. So hopefully this will work. Let's see. Alright, so boom. I'll see a better view of it right there. Now that I got it loosened, I'm gonna just take it out all the way. Then the oil filter is on the other side of that, so I gotta go to that side of the car. I'm on the passenger side. I should have just did it all on the driver's side. But this was easier on this side. The filter would be easier on the driver's side. Let me drain this right quick. Let that drain right quick. Then we're gonna take the filter out. This is jank. They got a plastic washroom here. It's supposed to be a metal washer. They got a plastic one on there though. Janky. Ew. Alright, once that bolt is tightened, that's that one right there we just did. This is the oil filter we gotta loosen. Then oil gonna drain out of there. Boom, then you fill it at the top. Alright. As y'all see, with that, drain out. And then we're gonna fill it up from the top. We gotta put the filter on first. Then we're gonna fill it up at the top. Come over here. Boom. Pour this filter. And of course, the filter would come flying off. And oil get everywhere. It's crazy. Let's clean this up. Alright, but anyways, once that filter is off, you're gonna open this new one. Take a little bit of this. Just swipe it around the rim. It's just so it keep the O-ring lubricated, you feel me? So when you take it off next time, it won't be as hard. And you could, if you want, pour like a little bit of oil in there, the new oil though, then put it back on. So boom, new one on, new filter on, drain plug, drain. Now it's time to go to the top. I'm up here, grab your nice clean funnel, stick it in your oil thing, you know, get your oil, boom. And pour it in there. Angle might not be too great, but y'all be alright. I'll be able to see to pour it in there. After all 6 quarts is poured, I'm gonna take your funnel out, wipe it off a little bit, take your oil cap, whatever this is, and plug it up. Oh, see, I don't know if this twists on or if it just plugs. Cause it don't really twist. This is the awkward thing about this. But that's the oil change. Boom. Alright, now let's start it and back it out the garage. Y'all hear that? Yeah, me neither. That's what a good old oil change will do for you. That tick, 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 that was there. Good. Oh, I know y'all know about cars, but y'all hear that? It's time for an oil change. Alright. Truck oil change, the fork back, bike's back in there. We good for the day, you feel me? Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. See y'all next one.